right is a bit short, huh?
Hmm.
Bit short. A little bit of.
I feel like my left side is stronger than my right as well.
But
Although I'm a right-hander.
But what happens is usually, for people, one or the other, if we check, we feel that's right or the left is short or the other is longer. So your right side is a bit short. So definitely after this correction, will get better. Breathe in, breathe out. Got the crack?
Yeah.
Breathe in, breathe out. Relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax. Once more. Good. Relax. This is for your tibial joint. Breathe in, breathe out. Any discomfort, let me know. Huh?
Yeah.
Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Once more. Relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Once more. Breathe in, breathe out. Very good. Breathe in, breathe out. Once more. Good. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Yes, got the crack? Very good. Breathe in, breathe out. Yes, again. Breathe in, breathe out. Excellent. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. L4, L5, breathe in, breathe out. L5, S1, breathe in, breathe out. Relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Very good. Got the pump? Hold your pump. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Next is for your breathe position. Keep your hand here. Okay. Just relax, huh? Breathe in. Breathe out. Good. Breathe in. Breathe out. Once more. Good. Once more. Huh? Straight backward. Just breathe. Yeah. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. Now, this is the hyper hold. We use this for chiropractic sessions as to release the muscles. Because on sitting posture, for a longer period when you sit, long time this muscle gets tightened. This is the paraspinal muscles. Any discomfort you feel, you let me know, huh?
Yeah.
And I wouldn't hammer, okay, and release the muscles again with a movement, okay?
Yeah.
What you do is you just lift your leg slowly up and down without bending your knee, okay? Yes. Down. Again. Up. Down. Again. Up. Down. Okay. Now you came to my clinic. So you tell me what's the difference, like when you came, the pain and stiffness which was there before, and after the chiropractic whole session, how you're feeling
That's
now?
what I'm checking.
Yeah.
I had pain
Yeah.
when I was sitting like this
Yeah.
before, but
Yeah.
after this now I don't have any pains.
Okay. So otherwise, what about the stiffness and the?
No, I feel normal now. So
Better?
I'm hoping it stays that way.
Okay. So out of 1 to 10, so how much you rate now?
Right now I'll give it a 10 because
Ah.
I had this issue for 2 months and now
That's
it feels
excellent. Yeah. Very good.
like it's gone. So
Okay, very nice.
fingers crossed.
Okay.